数量，数量，数量。
quantity,
quantity.
这些盒子的数量对吧？这些盒子的数量对吧？这些盒子的数量对吧？
the number of these boxes, right?
The number of these boxes, right?
我都仔细检查过了，没问题。我都仔细检查过了，没问题。我都仔细检查过了，没问题。
I've checked everything carefully, no problem.
I've checked everything carefully, no problem.
为了保护环境，我们必须减少塑料袋的使用数量。为了保护环境，我们必须减少塑料袋的使用数量。为了保护环境，我们必须减少塑料袋的使用数量。
In order to protect the environment, we must reduce the number of plastic bags used.
In order to protect the environment, we must reduce the number of plastic bags used.
这些产品质量高但数量少。这些产品质量高但数量少。这些产品质量高但数量少。
These products are of high quality but low in quantity.
These products are of high quality but low in quantity.
温度，温度，温度。
Temperature,
Temperature.
今天天气太热了，最高温度达到35摄氏度。今天天气太热了，最高温度达到35摄氏度。今天天气太热了，最高温度达到35摄氏度。
the weather is too hot today, the highest temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius.
The weather is too hot today, the highest temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius.
白天温度比较高，到了晚上，温度下降了。白天温度比较高，到了晚上，温度下降了。白天温度比较高，到了晚上，温度下降了。
The temperature is relatively high during the day and drops at night.
The temperature is relatively high during the day and drops at night.
人们最适宜睡眠的温度一般为24摄氏度到27摄氏度之间。人们最适宜睡眠的温度一般为24摄氏度到27摄氏度之间。人们最适宜睡眠的温度一般为24摄氏度到27摄氏度之间。
The most suitable temperature for people to sleep is generally between 24 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius.
The most suitable temperature for people to sleep is generally between 24 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius.
乘坐，乘坐，乘坐。
Ride. Take.
Ride. Take.
由于天气原因，我们乘坐的航班推迟起飞了。由于天气原因，我们乘坐的航班推迟起飞了。由于天气原因，我们乘坐的航班推迟起飞了。
Due to weather conditions, our flight was delayed.
Due to weather conditions, our flight was delayed.
乘坐地铁比乘坐公共汽车更节约时间。乘坐地铁比乘坐公共汽车更节约时间。乘坐地铁比乘坐公共汽车更节约时间。
Taking the subway saves time than taking the bus.
Taking the subway saves time than taking the bus.
他乘坐3号电梯上了顶楼。他乘坐3号电梯上了顶楼。他乘坐3号电梯上了顶楼。
He took the number 3 elevator to the top floor.
He took the number 3 elevator to the top floor.
丢，丢，丢，
Loose. Throw.
Lose. Throw.
我不小心把结婚戒指弄丢了。我不小心把结婚戒指弄丢了。我不小心把结婚戒指弄丢了。
I accidentally lost my wedding ring.
I accidentally lost my wedding ring.
定期打扫房间并把不重要的东西丢掉。定期打扫房间并把不重要的东西丢掉。定期打扫房间并把不重要的东西丢掉。
Clean your room regularly and get rid of unimportant things.
Clean your room regularly and get rid of unimportant things.
香蕉皮不要丢在地上。香蕉皮不要丢在地上。香蕉皮不要丢在地上。
Don't throw banana peels on the floor.
Don't throw banana peels on the floor.
垃圾桶。垃圾桶。垃圾桶。
Trash can.
Trash can.
我们应该养成把垃圾丢进垃圾桶的好习惯。我们应该养成把垃圾丢进垃圾桶的好习惯。我们应该养成把垃圾丢进垃圾桶的好习惯。
We should develop a good habit of throwing garbage into the trash can.
We should develop a good habit of throwing garbage into the trash can.
把不愉快的事情像垃圾一样丢进垃圾桶。把不愉快的事情像垃圾一样丢进垃圾桶。把不愉快的事情像垃圾一样丢进垃圾桶。
Throw unpleasant things into the trash can like garbage.
Throw unpleasant things into the trash can like garbage.
把失望、担忧等负面情绪扔进垃圾桶。把失望、担忧等负面情绪扔进垃圾桶。把失望、担忧等负面情绪扔进垃圾桶。
Throw disappointment, worry and other negative emotions into the trash can.
Throw disappointment, worry and other negative emotions into the trash can.
美丽。美丽。美丽。
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
今晚的月亮又大又圆，美丽极了。今晚的月亮又大又圆，美丽极了。今晚的月亮又大又圆，美丽极了。
The moon is big and round tonight. So beautiful.
The moon is big and round tonight. So beautiful.
星星不仅美丽，而且还能辨别方向。星星不仅美丽，而且还能辨别方向。星星不仅美丽，而且还能辨别方向。
The stars are not only beautiful, but they can also tell the direction.
The stars are not only beautiful, but they can also tell the direction.
把无用的物品丢掉，才能使我们的家变得更美丽。把无用的物品丢掉，才能使我们的家变得更美丽。把无用的物品丢掉，才能使我们的家变得更美丽。
Throwing away useless items can make our home more beautiful.
Throwing away useless items can make our home more beautiful.
谢谢观看。